How to enable or disable Pay with currently open app for contactless payments on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, go down and tap on connections. Then tap on NFC and contactless payments. After that, make sure it is turned on, so tap on the toggle button at the top to turn on NFC and contactless payments, and then go down and tap on contactless payments. Next in here, tap on the payments tab, and then go down and tap on Pay with currently open app. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Now with this feature turned on, whichever payment service app you have opened at the time, you will be able to use that to make the payment. And that's it. After that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.